I'm here on the nursery. We have just taken in another large delivery of one of our absolute favourites. This is the Nandina Obsessed. There are so many reasons why this is the perfect plant and why you want one in your garden. Nandinas genuinely are one of our absolute favourites here at YouGarden, and it's because it is the perfect plant. You can plant this anywhere in the country because it can cope with cold weather and it can cope with hot weather. You can plant it anywhere in your garden because it loves sunshine, but it can cope in shady spots. You can put it in the ground or it can grow in containers. It's very low maintenance as well. Once you've planted it, you don't actually need to do much to it. Certainly doesn't need any kind of pruning, and it stays at a really reasonable size. It can grow to about a metre 20 in height. Needs about 60 centimetres spread, which makes it perfect for all gardens. It's such a simple and easy plant to grow and gives you glorious foliage colour all year round. This is an evergreen beauty, but you'll get this wonderful sort of red, golden, orange tones to it. Never drops its leaves though. It's the perfect plant for every gardener, for every garden in every part of the country.